Alright, I'm gonna open the box. So, I got an Elgato Prompter for Christmas. I asked Santa Claus for it. And he brought it to me, put it under my tree, and said you couldn't open it till Christmas Day. So, as soon as the Elgato Prompter was announced, I knew I wanted one, and so I decided I would buy it. So I placed the order, and then it was on a big hold, and it wasn't going to arrive until mid-December. So I told my wife, hey, let this be my big Christmas gift this year. And so when it arrived, it was only a week or so before till Christmas came, so we wrapped it and put it on a tree, and I opened it up Christmas morning. All right, so we're going to open the box. Yes, as Florence is suggesting, I will repurpose the clip. And so I did. So this is me repurposing it now. See? Ta-da! I have the hardest time opening boxes. This is why unboxing videos are hard for me. I'm just going to confess, I am unboxing challenged. I don't know why. It's always the tape. The tape always slows me down. But I'm also one of those that likes to keep the box pristine. Because I keep it. I keep the box. Alright. I really do keep boxes. I could probably box up my entire studio and put it back into its original box. I have boxes for old computers and stuff. It's a fault. Get connected. All right. That was a little bit of ASMR there. Now, notice the white covering is still on the components. I legitimately didn't open this box until I did it on my live stream. I'm telling you, there's a lot of unboxers who unbox their stuff and then rebox it to do the unboxing. I know, I'm terrible. That's not cool. I keep all the gadget boxes for like the longest time. I do. And so here is the... I also take really great care of my gear. I have rarely damaged any equipment, except watches. I'm really rough on watches. Elgato Prompter. Because the issue for me is that I like to know what's going on. And so I have a hard time keeping my eyes on... And I've seen my fingers off the screen. I've already touched this glass twice already. Yay! I'm glad I ever get this mounted. And I'll touch it 2 more times. See if there's anything else in the box. This is the mounting bracket that you use to put it on a stand. Don't you think I need a bigger desk? Let me know in the comments. That's it. The box is empty. All right. So no more magic out of that one. So now this does mount to the front of your camera lens, but if you don't want to do that, you can use this instead. And then let's see what's inside this box. Okay. Prompter book. Turn around. We got a prompter book. And then these are the step-up rings. These are the rings that go on the front of your camera lens in order to mount the device to the front of it. So I have to find a 67mm for the 16mm Sigma lens that I have. I think it's the 67. Okay. Here's the universal shroud backplate. Okay, so this is what you use to cover the back of the camera if you're not able to mount it in such a way that that you have to have this to kind of, if you need it, you'll know, cover it up. So I won't need this. I definitely want to keep it, mind you. So what's in here? Oh, there's also the little circle piece, and then the bracket goes in there. So good. It's got a little lens cleaner. glass cleaner, which is good because I've already touched the glass already. And then the USB cable. It is a USB-A to USB-C. I still don't understand why we have just doggone USB-C. I know as PC people have a lot of USB-A on their computers, and the Macs are the ones that killed off all the USB-A. So there's the cable for that. And so the next video I do, I will have this all mounted up so people can see it, and I'll probably do an initial review. Basically use DisplayLink, which will let you do video over USB. So this cable does video over USB, which is cool. So it has a 9-inch screen, and then it has a screen. So back here, camera would go back here. Right now, the default comes with the Elgato Facecam Pro mount. I'm sure it'll work on a Facecam too. I don't know, but which is what I'm using to do overhead shot right now. And a 9-inch screen, which doesn't seem like it'd be big enough, but it's plenty big enough. I'll be able to see myself and the screen. I don't know that I'm going to use it as a true teleprompter. I'm more focused on making sure I can see the screen, see the chat, and see myself to see what I basically want to know what's on the screen. I need it to be a confidence monitor. So, and if you see my videos, you probably think he probably needs a lot of confidence. I'm excited about that, and I will be setting this up probably tomorrow, and I'll do a video about that once I get that done. So I am really excited about this. I know my tendency to look at the screen and I don't look at the camera as much as I should, which may be one of the reasons why people don't watch my videos. You just never know. So this is the Elgato Prompter. It was really easy to set up. I literally took the back out and put in the one that allowed me to connect that to the camera. It's got the 67mm. If you have a 16mm Sigma lens, that's what that works with. And that's it. That was my first time use of the Elgato Prompter after the unboxing. And so I hope you like this kind of content, because if you do, subscribe. And if you want to watch more videos like this, YouTube's going to tell you, go watch this video right here. Because it says, hey, you might like this kind of stuff. I think you will. Watch it. Watch it. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.